A powerful storm paralyzed Badalona and caused the metro to shut down. Overnight, the storm showed its most chaotic and unpredictable side, unleashing torrential rains on the Barcelona metropolitan area. Badalona was at the center of the torrential rains, which accumulated up to 120 liters per square meter in the Llefià neighborhood and 111 liters in the Progrés neighborhood, resulting in flooding, power outages, metro service disruptions, and the evacuation of residents as a precautionary measure. Given the heavy rainfall, Civil Protection activated the alert phase of the INUMCAT plan in the afternoon. Badalona bore the brunt of the storm, with the highest number of emergencies. Throughout the day, the 112 emergency line received 1,026 rain-related calls, 80% in the Barcelona's area, while the fire department responded to 297 calls, the majority of which, 151, originated in Badalona. The emergency medical system, EMS, treated 3 people with minor injuries. A woman was taken to the Badalona Primary Healthcare Center, CUAP. Another woman was transferred to Reus Hospital after a fall in Montbrió del Camp, and a man from Orius was evacuated to Mataró Hospital. These storms are more common in September than December. Badalona's mayor, Xavier Garcia Albiol, described the situation as collapse in many parts of the city, and in a video statement urged the public to exercise extreme caution and avoid unnecessary travel, assuring them that his administration was working to restore normalcy in the city. The intensity of the rain forced the closure of metro services in the city, limiting service on Line 2 to Artigues Sant Adrià de Besòs due to flooding at Gorg Station. Power outages also occurred in several neighborhoods, where technicians worked around the clock to restore service. The most significant incident occurred in Llefià, when a false ceiling collapsed, forcing the evacuation of a house. According to the city council, there were no reports of injuries, and those affected were assisted by social services and moved to a hotel. By late afternoon, concerns shifted to waterways. Facing the risk of overflowing the Central Canal, the Besòs River Park was closed and its emergency plan activated. The situation on public roads was exacerbated by the large amount of fallen leaves that clogged storm drains and sewers, hampering water drainage in urban areas and roads in the Barcelona's, Valls Occidental, and Maresme regions. One critical point was the B20 highway at the Trinitat intersection, which saw the northbound lane closed, resulting in a 16-kilometer traffic jam. From the Catalan government, the deputy director of the Civil Protection Program, Sergio Delgado, acknowledged the difficulty of predicting this event. Speaking to the media, Delgado described the storm as a very erratic phenomenon, full of uncertainties, emphasizing that the recorded rainfall did not align with initial weather models. This is a storm that is more typical of September than December, Delgado said, urging people to exercise maximum caution along the coasts of Barcelona and Tarragona, areas where instability is shifting.